I'll guide you through how to set up LinkedIn profile. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to LinkedIn and log in, or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on your profile picture, then select View Profile. You'll see an option to Add Profile section. Go ahead and click that. There are several sections you can fill out, such as Core, Recommended, and Additional, but here we'll focus on Core and Recommended. Go to the Core section and fill in your education, current position, services offered, any career breaks, if applicable, and your key professional skills. Next, head to the Recommended section. In this section, fill up your featured content, licenses and certifications, projects you've worked on, courses you've taken, and recommendations for people you've worked with. If you've still got more to show, scroll down to the Additional section. Here, you can include volunteer experience, publications, patents, honors and awards, test scores, languages you speak, organizations you're part of, causes you care about, and your contact info.